Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Render for fast deployments of no-code projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Render website by typing in render.com. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on Continue. Next, check your email for a verification link from Render. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your address. Return to the Render website. You will be taken to a page to create a password. Enter a strong password and confirm it. Once your password is set, click on Create Account. After successfully creating your account, you will be directed to the dashboard. To start a new project, click on the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Web Service. You will see options to choose your deployment method. For no-code projects, select the option that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to connect to your code repository or upload your files directly. Once you've uploaded your project, configure the necessary settings. Set the service name, region, and environment type. Choose a plan based on your project's requirements. Click on Create Web Service to initiate the deployment. Render will now build and deploy your project. Monitor the deployment progress on your dashboard. Once the deployment is complete, you will see a success message. Your no-code project is now live and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.